Aloha and welcome. I'm Ann Perry with Compass. I'm honored to present you 4819C Kahala Avenue on the southeastern shoreline of Oahu. This beautiful house was originally built in 1947. The house, over the years, has been meticulously renovated and restored. Today, you will find 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths in the main house. In addition to that, you have 2 one-bedroom, 1-bath apartments above the garage. Of all the properties that I've ever sold or listed, this is my favorite. It defines Hawaii architecture, elegance and design, and lifestyle living. Let's go ahead and take a look. Once you enter through the private gates, you are enveloped by the lush tropical landscaping which surrounds you. You come down a flagstone path, complete with a small little bridge that takes you over the ponds that surround the entry of the property, complete with giant koi fish who greet you. Koi fish are known for prosperity and good fortune, and this property is all of that combined. The mystery of this house unfolds as you enter through these beautiful koa wood doors. Koa is a Hawaiian wood that's a treasure in Hawaii and highly respected. You have this massive 120-foot linear frontage view of the ocean. And then behind you, you open to the sparkling pool, covered lanais, and mountains behind. The interior design of this blends Hawaii, tradition, all with a focus on flowing with nature, going with the sea, going with the winds, and going with the waves of Hawaii. Hey, how about this kitchen? It's a chef's delight. It is set up to be for intimate dining for 2 or bring the whole family. Everybody has a place to work on this beautiful white tile countertop, accentuated by the ceiling of light. Double sinks on either side, double sub-zeros. And the party continues behind me with the wet bar and countertop dining. There is space here for everyone. And if all else fails, grab your drink and head to the pool. The pool is a place for connection, connecting to the main residence and connecting to the 2 one-bedroom, 1-bath apartments. The pool area was designed to work with multiple lifestyles. For the athlete who wanted a lap pool, for the kids, or for just floating in the pool and enjoying a Mai Tai on the steps. Hawaii is all about indoor-outdoor living. It's all about that sense of connection to the environment and nature. The architectural design of this house captured those elements with extra deep patios. After a full day of activities, let's head over to the relaxation of the principal suite. Most houses have a primary suite. This house has a primary wing. The primary suite has dual bathrooms, dual closets, plus you've got a spa-like bathtub and shower. On top of that, you have your own private media room, den, or office, which opens to the pool. Pool, ocean, take your choice. Thank you for joining me today to tour this exceptional Kahala residence. This property defines Hawaii, Hawaii beach houses, living on the ocean, and the culture of the islands. It's been a pleasure to be with you. As we say in Hawaii, a hui ho. Until we meet again, aloha.
If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.